All right, y'all about to do this unboxing with me. So I got a yogurt maker, and it is the. I'm gonna show y'all the unboxing. See this? Whoa. Oh, got a little heavy now. We have the. This is what we have. The ultimate probiotic yogurt maker. From this day forward, I will never buy yogurt. I don't even buy yogurt in the store for real. But I have been getting into my gut health and getting into things like kimchi and probiotics, because who wants to pay $40 a month on a high quality protected probiotic supplement every month? Because the thing is, consistency is key to see improvement. With this, you can make your own yogurt. So let's look at the specs, right? Healthy weight, healthy sleep and energy levels, digestion and gut health, radiant skin and hair, and healthy muscles. Me, you know, I'm definitely gonna make a yogurt, a L-Reuteri yogurt, but I'm also gonna make a regular like probiotic yogurt too, with other live cultures in it. So let's see. Let's do the unboxing. All right, we're gonna just be patient with me. I tend to rip my box apart instead of opening it like a normal human being in society. I open mine like a savage. All right, so this is how it looks right here. Right? I'm gonna open these two. I'm gonna pull it open for y'all for a second. It's nice and secure. So what we're gonna do is remove these styrofoam things. I'm not really sure. Oh, okay, never mind. Figuring it out. Y'all know man can't do nothing when it comes to stuff like this. No, I'm just playing. All right, so this is what we got here. So we have this machine. This is the machine. It comes wrapped in this plastic. You do. I'm sorry about that, y'all. You do plug it in, as you can see, right? You know, just open this up for y'all so you can see what's going on. This is it right here. It comes with a plastic top, right? Boom. It comes with a thank you card, and it's written on the back in script. Thank you, okay, for purchasing our yogurt maker. If there's any reason you have not been happy with your order, no matter what or how long it's been, please call or text us. That lets you know you could call if you're not happy with this and probably get your money back, get another yogurt. Maybe if you don't like the cups it comes with or anything like that, they may, send you one. It's transparent. They have a recipe book. You can download their free probiotic yogurt guide. That's what they have here on the front. Okay. Love our products. Earn money by sharing them with your friends and family. It says want free yogurt containers. Now this they talk in my language, because I want a free yogurt container. Let's find out real quick. This is what you got to do. Post a photo or video of your ultimate probiotic yogurt maker on social media with the hashtag Ultimate Health, and we'll send your choice of ultimate yogurt or jars. That's fire, right? So they have some products they're promoting here. I'm definitely gonna keep this because I want some free yogurt containers. So I'm definitely gonna do that. That's for sure. We have just more little, stuff. This, you could scan this QR code and it'll help you get the process started on how to actually make the yogurt, right? So now you have the quick start guide. You're gonna need that. We got this. Now look, this is where it gets really good, y'all. If you made it this far into the video, then you're really interested into this, right? So look, I got the ones that came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 8. I'll show you. 8 glass containers. So when you make your yogurt and you are letting it sit for the 36 hours into the machine. So this right here, by the way, is what you place them in when you're fermenting your yogurt and all of that. And what you can do with the timer here is, I'm gonna show y'all real quick before we even get into that, because I know some of y'all probably wanna see the machine before we talk about cups, right? All right. So let's get into that real quick. So the thing about this is when you fill this up with water, you can control the time and temperature separately. You can control the time and temperature separately. So you want it on 100 degrees when you're making L-Reuteri and probiotic yogurt, because it gives it more time in room temp in that 100-degree room temperature to basically double the healthy bacteria, right? So hold on 1 second now. So this is how it looks. I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay. It's a vibe, right? It's a vibe. It's a vibe. We on our probiotic wave, bro. You're saving hundreds of dollars. Not only that, you can be consistent. Now, the L-Reuteri yogurt might taste a little tart from what I've been seeing on YouTube, but you could put pineapples and stuff like that in your yogurt. You could put, I would do raw, organic, farm-sourced honey if I'm gonna put anything sweet in the yogurt. So for instance, if you want L-Reuteri, it's a bacteria that you usually only get when you're being breastfed from your mother. But basically, sorry about that, y'all. Let me get my camera right. It's mad unprofessional. It's wild unprofessional. If you weren't breastfed, you can buy an L-Reuteri probiotic from a third-party tested source, and you can use that as some of your starter, right? Me, I'm getting on L-Reuteri. I wasn't breastfed, so I want to do that for about 6 months. Some people make the yogurt and do it for about 3 months, and they're good for the rest of the year. Me, I'm doing this for 6 months straight, along with a separate yogurt that is a multi-probiotic and not just one L-Reuteri, right? So I say that to say it comes with 8 of these jars, right? They're 100 milliliters each. And the reason why I got this instead of the 2 big containers is because it's almost like you have your days separated, because it's only good for about 7 days in the fridge. So you can stretch it to 8. So one day, you just eat this one right here. Has your measurement and everything. This is your yogurt. Bust that down. Bust this down. Bust this down. The thing about letting it ferment for 36 hours, most of that dairy is 8 and up. It's 8 and up. I'm not gonna get too much into the science because again, I'm new to this too. So, if you have questions, comment down below. Obviously, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you made it this far into the video. So I'm just waiting on my inulin powder. I'm waiting on my L-Reuteri capsules to come, and then I will start my yogurt making process. Most importantly, you want to also boil water and pour it over these in a pot. You definitely want to do that. You definitely want to sterilize your equipment. The caps, you want to pour the hot water over that too. These bottles too, all the spoons you're using and the bowls you're gonna be mixing up in and things like that. So again, I just want to say we have the ultimate yogurt maker here, and this is going to be a really good journey. Not only that, you can make healthy yogurt for your kids. Again, if you're buying probiotics, make sure they're third-party tested. If you have to email the company and ask for their certificate of analysis. It's not, if I could do it, you could do it. It's not that hard. Not only that, you're spending money on these products, and nothing is cheap these days. So you should be emailing companies and telling them provide more information and certifications and things like that, because again, this is money that could go to something else these days. It's not like people just have extra money just laying around these days. So again, It's very, very